Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ayesha and you're watching my channel Astrology with Ayesha. I know a lot of people who have subscribed to this channel. It was previously known as Astrology with Daud, and a lot of you guys, my subscribers, must know that Daud is a very famous name in spirituality because he's a spiritual healer who also specializes in tarot card reading, palmistry, numerology and astrology, and he has his own channel known as Daud, and a lot of people who follow that channel must know me from that channel because on that channel I also conduct a question answer with him, a show named as Dil Ki Baat Daud ke Saath. So he is my mentor, he's my spiritual teacher, and Alhamdulillah, because of his blessings and because of his prayers and duas, I have been blessed with his channel, and he has allowed me to start my own channel, Astrology with Ayesha, in which I am going to give you forecast of the upcoming week. I'm going to talk about different energies. The format would be similar to his, and we're going to talk about different energies of your different categories of your life, like business, health, education, your relationships and your travel, how your travel is going to be and what you should do, what you should not do, what things to avoid. These kind of things will be discussed, and Inshallah, I will always start my program, my show, this reading with a message, with a spiritual message or with a spiritual tip, which would be for all the audience, and you may consider it as a theme of the week. I just wanted to have some positivity, wanted to add some positivity in your life, because a lot of negativity and a lot of instability is being shown in the country, and a lot of people are very depressed and they're very anxious that how things are going to be. So that is why I'm going to use this platform to first motivate you, and then we're going to focus on reading of individual stars. So let's start with the message, and the message I have for you guys for this week, for this upcoming week, which is dated from 12th June 2023 to 18th June 2023, is gratitude. So I want to talk about gratitude because once you are in a turmoil situation and you are faced with unexpected things in your life, and every door seems to be closed, you're knocking on the doors, and there's no answer, and you're just hopeless, and you just feel that there's nothing to be grateful about, nothing to be happy about, and everything is a mess. So what it does is that it actually puts you in a very negative state of mind, which is also known as mayusi. And what it does is that it gives you a very gloomy look on your life, about your life. So you start to have a very gloomy outlook over your life, and you were just like, oh my god, I can't escape this. But please do remember, guys, that it's just a phase and it is going to pass. I know it is very hard to believe in that situation, that this phase is going to pass, but it is Allah's promise that this shall too pass. And in these times, it's very important to practice gratitude, because you have such a gloomy outlook on your life. You think that this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. So this is the exact time to understand that yes, this is something which I should be grateful for. This is something I should be thankful for. Okay, thank God I have this in my life. Okay, thank you Allah Ta'ala, at least I have this in my life. So it's because it is Allah Ta'ala's his promise to all of us, to all the people who believe in him, that he says that I will give you more if you are grateful. So here's a tip for you guys: when you are about to sleep and all those thoughts come running into your head and making you feel like a loser, or making you feel like that this day was not productive at all, that is the time that you should just grab a pen paper, and I would suggest that you should write it down, because therapeutically it is more helpful and beneficial to you if you write your feelings out. So just list down only, just start with 3 things, because I know it's very hard at that time to visualize good things in your life. So just start with 3 things, and day by day you can add more things to the list and list down those things which you're grateful for. And please do this exercise in this week, and do let me know in the comments that whether it helped you or not. So do provide me with your feedback. There's my number is also going on the slide, email ID and all the details related to appointment or any personal discussion is mentioned. You can reach me out over there. So let's start with Aries, and let's talk about Aries energy for the week 12th June to 18 June 2023. And we have divided the energy into 5 categories: business, health, education, marriage, relationship, and travel. So we're going to one by one discuss these energies, that in this upcoming week what kind of energy is there for you. So we're starting with business. And in business, there's Knight of Wands card, and basically it shows you that you have to take up every lead which is being presented to you in business and career. So if you are facing some dead ends, or if you are facing some closed doors, keep knocking on them, not very aggressively, but very thoughtfully and very critically, and analyze your options and go for it. This is the time to charge for the things you want to go for in your business or career, but you also have to do it mindfully. Coming to the health, it's the Hangman card. It mostly shows confusion. So this is what I believe is that there are a lot of confusion and a lot of anxiety, a lot of thoughts running through your head right now, and because of that it is actually manifesting that mental turmoil is actually manifesting in a very physical way. So your health might be affected, and it might be affected because of all the thoughts you're having in your mind. So you have to focus on that, so that it does not manifest in physical way, and it disturbs all the thing. Okay, coming to education. Education is it's a good card, and it shows that there is Allah's help with you guys, and you should jump into every opportunity you have and seek that opportunity and utilize that opportunity, and inshallah this week will bring good energy in education wise, if Allah wills. Okay, in relationship, this is a very a little bit, it shows a disturbance in your marriage or relationship, and it basically shows that you have to stop taking everything personally, or just keep the ego aside and try to understand the other person, your companion who is in the relationship with you, and try to understand what they're trying to say and what they're trying to communicate. So this is the time to have that date or have that one-to-one conversation with your loved one, so that you can work on your relationships, and you can move it to the next step. But it's important to be compassionate and empathetic towards your companion. Okay, so in the travel category, this is not a very good card. Usually the Tower shows that things are changing, situation is changing, so it you might face unpredictability in your travel plans. So it's better that you should avoid traveling in this month. So here you go, guys. This was the Aries reading, and all the Aries viewers who are listening to me, you can leave your comments and you can let me know that did you face these kind of energies or not. Your feedback is very important. Now we're going to move towards the next star. Hello Taurian people. I'm going to give you an insight of your upcoming week, which is dated from 12th June to 18th June 2023. And we're first going to talk about your business. You're doing some thinking on your business strategies or career wise. You're, I think, weighing your options. You're thinking about should you go or should you not go, should you apply in that position or not. So this is the time to foresee and to have a reflection, you can say, and reflect on your available options or your available strategies or the way you want to go or pursue your career or business opportunities. And inshallah, Allah's help will be with you guys. Okay, so in health department is disturbed, same as Aries, and it might be because you're thinking a lot in your head, and it is creating a lot of confusion and a lot of anxiety and depression in your mind. And to get out of it, you just have to, I think, clearly reflect on what you want to achieve in this week or in the upcoming month or this month. So just try to relax a bit from here, and so that it does not manifest physically. Okay, education wise is also it's lack of focus. You are kind of confused. You don't know where to start. You are like you're unable to focus, so you feel like really lethargic about doing your study related things. And there's negativity. So if you feel that there's negativity, you can recite 119 times Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem on the water, and you may start your education related things by spiritually, by spiritual help. So do that, so that it actually just relieve you with all the negativity that is surrounding you and your education matters. Okay, in marriage and relationships, a lot of things are going in your mind, I believe, and this is also going to cause a rift in your relationships. So I think you should try to keep it to yourself and just don't believe what your mind is telling you. So just relax a bit and focus on your partner and communicate effectively to them, instead of just constantly thinking and worrying about it or discussing with other people. Okay, in travel department, there is it's not a good sign. It means a lot of disturbances are on their way, so you should avoid traveling in this week. So Taurians, do let me know what do you think about this prediction. Hello Gemini people, we're going to talk about your upcoming week, which is dated from 12th to 18th June 2023. In your business department, you're kind of confused. You're weighing two options. You're like whether you should choose that option or not. I think it's better to sit around on that option and just weigh your options carefully and then decide. But there's a confusion going on, or you might have to choose between two options or 2 to 3 options. In health, there's a lot of disturbance going on, and you're going to face some health related issues, and a lot of people might worry you, a lot of people might fight with you. So because of that, your health might get affected. So you have to be careful in this week and try to avoid arguments at all costs, and don't be angry. Okay, in education, it's a good card, it's a positive card. You can jump into your opportunities and you can work towards your goals. So just make use of it, this energy, and jump into that, eat that frog. As as a phrase says. Okay, in married and relationships, if there was some communication barrier, your communication may continue. So it's basically a progressive and a positive card that things are progressing, and you might go somewhere Okay, and traveling, it's a positive card. You might travel to some places for your work related, or for for your just you can say एक energy करने के लिए, to have that relief, just to leave that burden. So you might travel for fun or business purposes. So Gemini, do let me know what do you think about this prediction. Okay, so Cancerian, now I'm going to give you your prediction of the upcoming week, which is dated from 12th to 18th June 2023. So in business and career department category, your energy is very fruitful and is very positive. A lot of opportunities are coming your way and things are progressing in the right direction. So make use of it and jump into those opportunities and grasp them. Okay, in health, there's some you can see fearfulness. There's some fearfulness. You are confused. You're actually worried about your health. So you need to take care of your health in this week, and just try to stay positive. Okay, in education, Allah's help is on its way, and actually it's already there. It's a very positive card. It shows you in a leadership position, in a responsible position. So you might take up some group projects and you might lead some of them. So it's a good card. Okay, relationship. In relationship, a lot of fights and arguments are going to happen in this coming week, or you might it is not only bound to romantic relationships. You might fight with your family members as well. So just be careful and just be mindful of your anger, and just calm down and avoid arguments and fights at all costs. So in the travel department, you might consult with your friend or a travel agent, and you might plan a summer retreat in these upcoming days. So traveling is good for you, but you might have a message, a positive message for your supposedly a positive message for your travel plans in this upcoming week. So do let me know what you think about this prediction, Cancerians. Okay, so Leo people, we are here for your prediction for the upcoming week, 12th June to 18th June 2023. So in business and career, your energy is good, it's progressive, and it is of a promotional nature. You might get promoted, or you might get some opportunities, so that you can move to the next stage. Health wise, your energy is good. You're taking good care of your health, and you're actually doing all those things, and you're being disciplined about your health. So that's a good thing. So keep it up and try to get more out of this energy as you can. Okay, in education, there's some negativity. It's the devil card, so it shows that there's some negativity. You are actually disappointed, or you are confused, and you are fearful that what is going to happen or not. So it's better, just don't let that negativity stop you from working on your projects. So try to focus on your education side. Relationship, this is a good card. It actually shows that you're very aligned with your inner self, and that alignment is actually helping you to maintain good and healthy relationships with your companions and with the people around you. So that's a good thing. And travel, you are actually at at a loss of funds. You don't have the money right now, so try to focus on that through your business and career, and try to accumulate wealth and the budget for traveling. So this is it, guys. Do let me know in the comments. Okay, so Virgo people, the energy of this upcoming week is, I'm going to tell you about this, and first we're going to talk about business. So in business, it's a positive card. It means that you might be offered a partnership and good opportunities are coming your way. It's a good sign, so make good use of it. Okay, in health wise, it's also getting better. You were facing some health issues previously, and it has left a very big toll on your health, and all the problems you were facing in your life. So it has actually left you physically very unfit, but things are getting better in this upcoming week, and your health is going to improve, and it is improving. Okay, education wise, there's some confusion going on, but I think you should keep your confusion aside and still work on your educational side of the things, and just don't let it stop you. Okay, so in marriage department, in relationship department, some breakthrough is to be seen. A proposal might come, some things might go in a positive way, and in a way you were expecting them to happen. So it's a positive card. It means Allah's help is near. So and you will inshallah achieve it in this week. Talking about traveling, so you might discuss it with your peers or with your business partners or with your family members. Mostly I think it's work related. I think you might travel for work, and it is good for you in this week. So Virgo people, do let me know what you think about this prediction in the comments. Okay, so Libra people, we're going to talk about the energy you're going to face and you're going to feel in this upcoming week. And first we're going to talk about your business or career. So you can see that there is someone who is actually stealing most of the swords which are placed in the circus behind or in the tavern behind. So it means that someone in your office or in your work related things is actually going to steal or take some credit of your work. So you have to be careful whom you're sharing your information with. So just keep it to yourself and just be on the lookout and be very observant on about overall situation in the office. Okay, so in the health department, your health is getting better. If it was if you were experiencing some health issues and you have put your efforts into it, you have started some treatment, or you were taking some medications, so now this week is actually showing that inshallah, by the help of Allah Ta'ala, it is going to get better. So your efforts are paying off. Okay, in the education department, there is some stress is seen. You feel that you feel very burdened about all the responsibilities you're facing in this week. So just take off that pressure and don't take it to your head. This is my advice. In the marriage department, in the relationship department, good things are coming your way, inshallah. And if there was some you were seeking for some proposals or some message related to your relationships, so this might be the week in which you can have a positive message regarding your relationships. Traveling wise, it is advised not to travel in this week, so it's better to just sit back and reflect on the week instead of traveling around. So this is it, guys. Do let me know in the comments below. Okay, so Scorpions, we're going to talk about your upcoming week, and first we're going to talk about your business and career. So the energy in this week is pretty good. You might find some partnership opportunities in this upcoming week, and someone can support you in your business venture or in your career. So you can make good use of it. Health wise, it's a very emotionally charged week, so don't let yourself carried away with the emotions. Try not to be angry at the things which you're facing, and you might face some blood pressure issues, some heart related issues because of your anger, because of your emotions. So it might physically disturb you. So it's better that you should avoid anger at all costs. If we are going to talk about your education, so a lot of opportunities are coming your way. There's progress to be seen, so just cash in this opportunity. Okay, in marriage and relationship, justice card is to be seen. It can be positive, it can be negative in a sense that you might get your things sorted out legally. If you are facing some divorce settlement, you might get that notification, get that information. And if you are seeking a proposal and you are waiting for it to be legalized, so it's actually a card which shows that things might get legalized. Some paperwork is seen in this upcoming week, whether positive, whether negative. For some people, divorce is actually good, but again, for some people, marriage opportunity can be seen. Traveling, you're confused about it, whether you should do it or not. So I think you should wait it out and see what you can do about it in the upcoming week. We'll see next week, inshallah. So this is it, guys. Do let me know in the comments below. Okay, so Sagittarius people, we're going to talk about your upcoming week, dated from 12th June to 18th June 2023. First, we're going to talk about your business and career. So it's a very, very positive card, and it shows that you have a very strong support, or you're in a very good position, in a very strong position in your life, business and career wise. And it might also show that you are with someone, or someone is going to support you very strongly and very positively in your business or career ventures. So we're going to talk about your health now. Health is also getting good, it's better, and you are working on it, and you are pretty serious about it and very disciplined about it. Education, it's a good card. It means that your focus is building up. You're actually seriously considering on your education, and it's better if you do it in the morning once you wake up and you're fresh, and try to get up early and get those time after Fajr. It's very peaceful and it's very energetic. The universe is in a very energetic mode at that time, so make use of it and try to study at that hour for all those people who are going to take exam in the upcoming weeks or month. Okay, in marriage and relationship, some of you are actually, it's a general reading that you are getting very negative, or a very you're not actually completely trusting your partner. So you are actually building up that mistrust. So it's better that you should not focus on that, and try to communicate politely and very lightly with your partner, and don't trust your own thoughts. Okay, traveling is not good for you, although you want to travel right now, but there are some money issues, and so you have to first take care of that, and then you should embark on your journey. So Sagittarius people, this was your prediction. So do let me know and in the comments. Okay, so Capricornians, we are going to talk about your upcoming week and the energy it is going to project. So let's see. what business and career holds for you. So there are a lot of things which are going in your mind and in your heart, and you're kind of confused, but just have some hope and just keep it to yourself. Don't discuss and disclose your plans to a lot of people, because not everyone is going to be supportive of your decisions or be mindful of your decisions. So just keep it to yourself, or you can seek spiritual guidance for it, and spiritual consultation for it, so that the confusion in your mind and heart might get clarity. Health wise, if you have done some medical checkup, so reports might be coming in, and this shows that you should plan a routine checkup for this upcoming week, because the past weeks have been might not be very kind to you. So because of that, there are some health issues, some health issues might come up, might not. Let's see. So for that, you have to get your routine checkup. It is advised. Okay, education wise, it is getting better. You have a lot of pending projects up your sleeve, so you have to focus in that, and the focus is starting to get better, and you are hopeful about it. In marriage and relationship, you are still it actually shows a longing. You are actually longing for connection or some decision, and you just want to get it sorted out, and you are actually looking for that kind of support from your loved ones, from your the person in your relationship with, or you're married to. So inshallah, hope will be there, so just be hopeful. Travel wise, you want to travel, but right now the situation is not favorable, but you so want to travel, but a weight is actually being shown that first clear and settle all your matters, and then you can go on a long retreat. So this is it, guys. Do let me know in the comments. Okay, so Aquarius, we're going to talk about your upcoming week, dated from 12th to 18th June, and we're going to see what kind of energy is in store for you. So let's talk about your business and career. There are two opportunities on your way, and you're weighing both those opportunities. You're confused, you're thinking which choice to go for, and for that you can seek a spiritual guidance, or you can consult it with someone you trust, so that you can weigh your options better and choose wisely. Health wise, health is in a very good shape. It's in a very good you are in a very good state of mind, and health wise and physically. Also someone whom you love, or someone who loves you, is actually taking good care of you. This also means that. Okay, talking about your education, a lot of responsibilities are being shown. You feel burdened by them, so you don't have to take that pressure. Just start working on your things one by one. Just don't get overwhelmed, and just take this opportunity one by one and just start working on it. Okay, in marriage and relationship, you can see the heart is broken, so you're sad about some things, or you were expecting some gesture, some loving gesture from your partner or from your companion, but your expectations are being broken. But don't worry, broken heart is not a bad sign. It means that you care. So, and also, as the Rumi said, that broken heart, actually it is where the light comes in. So take that opportunity and try to connect it with Allah Ta'ala, you can say, and you can let him know about all your problems. Okay, so traveling wise, you are actually planning it, and you're in very good moods, and you're very excited about it. about your travel journey, journey ventures, but inshallah you will plan something and it will help you. You might, this energy might help you in planning some good trip. So use this opportunity and just let's see whether you embark on a journey or not. Do let me know in the comments. Okay, so Pisces, now we're going to talk about your upcoming week and what kind of energies you're going to face. So in business and career, it is seen that there might be around 3 people, because it's a three of swords, and it's actually shown that they have disappointed you somehow in your career and business wise, and they have brought some disappointing. You feel very betrayed, and you feel really hurt by their gestures, and someone is actually out to get you or might disturb your things. So you have to be really careful about it. And coming to health, it's a message card, kind of a message card. So if you were thinking of taking care of your health, so you should start taking care of it, because this message might affect any message you're going to have in this week, might affect your health. So it might affect your heart. You might get tense and stressed about it. So just try to be relaxed about it and be positive about it, and don't take it to your heart. And also it can be seen that if it might be a sign that you should start taking your health seriously. Regarding your education, it is getting better, but you should try to eat more fruits, more vegetables, more greens. Summer is here, so a lot of vegetables and a lot of fruits are in the market. Make use of it and try to have those, and drink a lot of water before studying. Recite anything you believe in, and just start off your education related things with that. Okay, marriage and relationship wise, you are in a very strong position, in a very happy position, and all of the things you envisioned and you thought that you're going to achieve, and you have achieved it. So enjoy this moment, and take the time to be very positive and be very happy about it and very grateful about it. Okay, about traveling and in respect to this relationship wise, you can travel with your partner so that you can make use of that success. The things you have been working on has been proven right and has blessed you. Allah Ta'ala has blessed you in in the marriage department, so in relationship department, so you can make use of that energy, and you can travel and rejoice and enjoy. So this is it, guys. This was my video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. You can also let other people know, and if you want to have an appointment with me, on the ticket every detail related to appointment booking is mentioned. You can give me a call, you can message me, and we can have a discussion over your problems, and you can get a tarot card reading from me. And other than this, you can also let me what kind of content you want to see more on my channel, because this is an astrology series, a prediction series. So you can let me know what kind of content you want to see on my channel, and if you have any feedback or suggestions or positive criticism regarding this video, you can let me know in the comments below. Take care, have a good week.